Will you help Parrot pick up those things that are needed for mountain climbing? Rucksack. Water bottle. Rope. Hook. Plastic sheet. Torch. Diary. Towel. Whistle. Glucose. Fruit packets. jaggery, soap, sleeping bag. Let's help Bird match correctly. Mount Everest,
lowest peak in the world.
or highest peak in the world. Mount Everest, highest peak in the world. Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest.
Athlete
Or
swimmer.
Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Garhwal,
Himachal Pradesh. Manipur.
or Uttarakhand. Garhwal, Uttarakhand. Rucksack, water bottle, big bag carried on the back, or handbag. Rucksack, big bag carried on the back. Mount Everest,
The Nilgiris.
the Himalayas, or
The Western Ghats.
Mount Everest, the Himalayas. Will you answer loudly whether these statements are true or false? Bachendri Pal was the first Prime Minister of India. False. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. True. Being a leader of a group means taking on great responsibilities. True. It is all right to keep a camp dirty in the mountains. False. Mountain climbing needs discipline and team spirit. True. A rucksack is a bag in which you carry all the things needed for mountain climbing. True. Mountain climbing is as easy as climbing stairs. False. Shall we help Bert tick the correct answer? For extra energy in mountain climbing, we need samosas, lots of chips, vitamin C, iron tablets, and hot chocolate. Vitamin C, iron tablets, and hot chocolate. For extra energy in mountain climbing, we need vitamin C, iron tablets, and hot chocolate. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to go into space, climb Mount Everest, become the president. Climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Drains are dug around tents to collect water, keep wild animals away, use as toilets. Keep wild animals away. Drains are dug around tents to keep wild animals away. When we go mountain climbing, we must take with us a goat, a transistor, a torch, glucose, water bottle, food, rope, etc. A torch, glucose, water bottle, food, rope, etc. When we go mountain climbing, we must take with us a torch, glucose, water bottle, food, rope, etc. Let's answer some questions now. Friends, you can also write the answers in your notebook. Who is Bachendri Pal? Where did she grow up? Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. She grew up in the Garhwal area of Uttarakhand state. When did Bachendri Pal climb Mount Everest? What did she do there? Bachendri Pal climbed Mount Everest on 23rd May 1984. Once she reached the top, she bowed her head and pitched the Indian national flag on top of the peak. She spent 43 minutes on the highest peak in the world and took some photographs also. Was it easy for Bachendri Pal to climb Mount Everest? Why? No, it was not easy for Bachendri Pal to climb Mount Everest. Their group had to face terrible snowstorms that took the lives of some of her teammates. But Bachendri Pal was a brave lady. She did not give up until she reached the top of Mount Everest. What is a rucksack? A rucksack is a bag which is carried on the back. All the things a mountaineer needs are packed in this bag. What is a sleeping bag? A sleeping bag is a special bed. A person can slide into it and zip up 3 sides. It helps in keeping the person warm. It is very light and easy to carry. What are pitons? Pitons are also called pegs. They are driven into the ground and are used for securing ropes, tents, etc. Ropes are tightly fixed to the pitons. Can you name some things that mountaineers must carry with them on their trek? Mountaineers must carry a rope, a hook, wind cheater, whistle, glucose, jaggery, some chickpeas and other snacks on their trek. They must also carry some food, water bottle, a torch, towel, soap, plastic sheet, sleeping bag and a diary. Why are mountaineers given vitamin C, iron tablets, and hot chocolate milk? These things keep them warm in the cold weather and also give them the strength they need to climb the mountain. How do mountaineers cross rivers where there are no bridges? A thick rope is tied across the river from one bank to another. The rope is secured by pitons on either side. Then the mountaineer has to tie a rope around his or her waist and put a sling in it. The sling is then put onto the thick rope tied across the river. Then the mountaineer has to hold the rope and cross the river. How do mountaineers cook their food? They collect firewood and stones to make a stove and then cook their food on that. Why do mountain climbers use double-layer tents? They use double-layer tents because the air between the two layers keeps the tent warm. Why are drains dug around tents? Drains are dug around tents to keep wild animals and insects away from the tent. Why should we always keep mountains and other places clean? We should always keep our surroundings clean, especially our mountains, seas, rivers, and forests. Polluting these places destroys them. Since we cannot create these places, we have no right to destroy them. What are the duties and responsibilities of a group leader while climbing a mountain? The group leader should help those who are not able to climb properly. Take care of those who are not feeling well. Look for places to stop and rest. Allow everyone in the group to go ahead and keep to the last. Take responsibility for mistakes of any group member. Who is the monitor of your class? What are his or her duties? Would you like to be the monitor? Why? Have you ever seen a mountain? Have you climbed a mountain?